Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to replace a broken electrical outlet that got destroyed after the tenant's dog was locked in a room for a long time. The pet peed all over the wall and chewed right through the outlet and the cover. Not great. But I'll show you how to replace it safely in just under 10 minutes for less than $10. A job like this typically would cost up to $250 with an electrician. But it's actually very simple. You can easily DIY by following these steps. Start by turn off the power at the breaker and double check with a voltage tester to make sure the outlet is dead. Never skip this step. Then unscrew the faceplate. Remove the two screws holding the outlet to the electrical box. Gently pull it forward. And if you're not familiar with the wiring, take a photo before you uninstall. This will help you reconnect the wires the same way later. Look at the wire before you do anything. If they are back-ended, melted, or corroded, stop and call an electrician. But if they look solid and dry, you can move forward. To wire the new outlet correctly and safely, connect the black hot wire to the side with a smaller slot, and the white neutral wire to the side with a longer slot, and the bare copper wire or green ground wire connect to the green screw. Once everything is connected, carefully tuck the wires back into the box, line up the outlet and screw it into place. Then install the cover plate. Now go back to the breaker, turn the power back on, and test your outlet.